to find y. So we're going to find y if the line through the point 1, y and 7, 3 has a slope of 6. Now, if you remember in class on Wednesday, we tried this problem by graphing, and we realized that our graph just wasn't big enough. We weren't able to figure out quite where it was going to intersect with this line of x equal to 1. So the best way to do this problem is to use your slope formula. So my slope formula, y is equal to the change in y over the change in x. That should help you remember the formula. So we're going to look at the difference in your y's over the difference in your x's. And I usually label my points so I don't get confused as to where my x1 and y1 go and where my x2 and y2 go. So I'm going to go ahead and plug those in. y2 is going to be 3. y1 is just y. That's going to be divided by x2, which is 7, minus x1. So that is the slope of the line using the information I've been given, and then that has to be set equal to 6. So I'm going to take 3 minus y, and 7 minus 1, I'm going to rewrite that as 6. And then that has to be equal to my slope, which is also equal to 6. Now I need to solve this equation for y. To solve for y, I'm going to multiply by the LCD, and my LCD is going to be 6. So I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 6. On the left side, these 6's cancel out, so I don't have anything left in the denominator here or in the numerator. So I end up with just 3 minus y. On the right side, I have 36. Then I'm going to solve for y. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And I end up with negative y equals 33. And then I don't want to know what negative y is, I want to know what y is. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. And I end up with positive y equals 33. So my 2 points then, going back to my original problem, my 1 point is going to be the point 1, 33. Oops, forgot the negative here. And my other point is going to be 7, 3. So if I take the slope between these 2 points, you should have a slope of 6.